What's going on, guys? I got a little time tonight to mess around in the garage, so I'm going to do a little bit of a lighting upgrade. I'm going to take it from this to this. I'm going to be using 4 of these 4-foot LED hanging shop lights. They're made by Braun. They're sold at Harbor Freight. Each one of them is 5,000 lumens. Just a quick overview on the light itself. Rather than a double bulb setup, each one is a single LED bulb. Like I said, they're 4 feet long, so they'll fit anywhere that you normally have a 4-foot fluorescent light fixture. It's got a plug, and then it does also have a pull cord with an extension if you choose to set it up that way. Out of the box, the nice thing I did find about these is that it's not a stamped steel housing, it's actually an extrusion, so it's quite a little bit stronger as far as the normal ones go. The normal ones are steel, and they're just a stamped, bent, folded steel. This one is slightly more rigid. Not that it matters once you have it up in place, but I guess it can matter if you're mounting it somewhere screwed up to a wall or something like that. So what I'm going to be replacing are 4 dual bulb fluorescent fixtures, and you could see that I started, this is some wiring that I had done right there. I added outlets to the ceiling that are hooked up with the light switch. There's that one was already here when I moved in, but I need to, the wire's drooping down because I need to actually put it in a better position and put a bigger box. Yeah, that's going to go down a little bit further for those 2 right there. So in all honesty, I thought I had it pretty good with this light setup. I didn't think it was the end of the world. It was a little dim in some areas, so I'd have to use, of course this is going to be shadowed because of the pallet racks. So I do have some extra lighting underneath here. But overall, it's not the end of the world, but it could be a little bit brighter. So basically, I'm just going to unbox these. I'm going to set them up. I'm going to give a quick lumens check on one of them. I'm going to set a voltmeter that I have that has a way to measure lumens. I'll put that in a fixed area, and then I'll switch out the lights, and I'll put it underneath, and I'll take a reading before and then after I switch, and we'll see what the difference is. I did install one of them to test it out, and I can honestly say that it's brighter. As far as I can tell, it's brighter than the dual bulb fluorescent setup. The kit does come with these chains and these little S hooks to use, so it's pretty much got everything you need to get going. So for this one, we're going to test the overall light output. I have my multimeter set up to the lumens or lux or whatever it is. Basically, the more light there is, the higher number. We're going to test this last one. It's pretty much right over top. I probably should have done this before I did all the other ones because now there's more ambient light, so it would have been a more dramatic of a difference, but we'll see what it shows anyway. And now with the LED up, we have a reading of 305, so it's definitely brighter. It's in the same position, one bulb, and I think last time I said 115, so yeah, definitely a good improvement. So I'm not sure exactly how well you could tell on camera, but the difference is definitely very noticeable. All of the corners that were pretty dark before are well lit. It's not so much of a daylight type bulb, but it's not quite a soft white. It's kind of in between. It's just a real clean, crisp lighting all around. I'm very happy with it. I'm definitely going to add one more right underneath here just so I can get some more light shining down on top of my lathe. So far the milling machine is pretty good. I just have that light for a little additional lighting. So yeah, normally these lights go for $30 a piece. You can find coupons for around $25, but I had read somewhere that if you hold off, you can find coupons for $20. That was the case this time. They emailed me a coupon. It was for, improve your shop or something like that, and I saw coupons for $19.99 with a limit of 3. So I bought 4 of them so far. I'm going to get a couple more while they're on sale, and yeah, it's a great deal as far as I can tell. I'll keep you updated with the longevity of them, let you know if there's any problems. Another reason I got it, I was having problems blowing out bulbs when I would use my TIG welder with the high frequency start. It would make the fluorescent lights flash, and the flashing would kind of cause premature wear on the bulbs, I guess, because I kept blowing out bulbs left and right, and for 2 per bulb, it was a big pain in the ass. So we'll see how this goes from now. So far, like I said, I'm really stoked. I might add a couple more. I don't know. When the doors open, it blocks those 2, so I'm not quite sure. I want to leave the center open because ideally I want to have a piece of I-beam so I could do a gantry style rolling hoist if I need to lift anything heavy up on the bench. But that's for another video. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.